everybody to Belle's channel. Today we are at the location of Soi 88, which is not really far from the city center because you can just drive straight from the center, no turn, just straight. You will arrive to this villa within 10 to maximum 15 minutes. And here we are at the part of the parking space where you can park for 2 cars. And it also comes with the security guards of the project. And you have the automatic gate. Here, when we enter in the house, you can see there is the guest house right there and the main house here. We go to see first around. On the walkway here, you can separate to the main house or to the guest house with a nice garden in the front and a big pine tree. This villa, the age is already above 10 years. It's about 11 years old house where you can see how it looks like. But it also comes with the 4 bedroom. That's why this is interesting because here you have the nice pool that is big size, which is also connected to the terrace on that side and this side. And I will show you first outside on the behind of the house and everything. Then we go inside. This is the part of the guest house. At the guest, there is the 1 bedroom and 1 ensuite bathroom inside, which we will not enter now because the owner they are living in. And we will see another part. Here is behind of the house where they put the washing machine on this side. So this part, there is the water tank, 3 of the water tanks of 1,500 liters, so it's 4,500 liter water tanks. And there is the laundry room here with the washing machine. Another side of the house, it is coming with the storage room over there, which is they use to keep the tools for the garden and for the fixing of the machine like this. So let's continue to see inside of the main house where it's come with the 3 bedroom inside. First part we see in the beginning of the house is a huge living space at the living room, which comes with the television here and the sofa for 4 people that is have a L shape with a long extent. On other side of the house, there is a door that you can access to terrace. Here is a part of the sofa and the dining outdoor where you just sit beside the swimming pool. And in this swimming pool, they also come with the jacuzzi on this side and the outdoor shower on right there. The jacuzzi part, you can also use it as a kids pool because it's not too deep and they can sit on the side inside the house. So another part after the living area, it will be the kitchen part, which is coming with very big kitchen. And on this side, they decorate with the cupboard and the nice statue. In the kitchen, as it's very huge space, you can really convenient cook right here and have the sink here where you can open the windows to get air and light from outside coming in like that. And they have the microwave and oven with the stove, gas stove cooking. That some people they really like to cook with gas. Here is a part of the big refrigerator. Let's continue another part. of kitchen, there is a part of the bathroom. In this bathroom, it's coming with the single sink and the shower area there that's separate with the temper glass for the wet and dry area. After the bathroom, here we enter in the first bedroom. And yes, in the bedroom, it's coming with the queen size bed. As you see, on the side had the side table with the windows, and it's coming with the nice wardrobe for double space with the dressing table right here, or you can change it to be the television. Stay there. Let's continue the next room. So in the next door, this is also the second bedroom, which this second bedroom, they have their ensuite bathroom there. They also come with the queen size bed as the same right the first room, and also the cupboard, the wardrobe is exactly the same, that they have plenty space and it's high up to the ceiling to be able to store your stuff. And here, this room is come with ensuite bathroom. So inside the bathroom, there is a shower in the beginning and having the sink and toilet right here. From the second bedroom, here, the last door is the master bedroom. When we enter in the master bedroom, the first part is coming with the big wardrobe space for the sixth door. That is also have the mirror for you. When you finish dressing up, you can have this mirror. And the room is coming with the king size bed that also have bench, because this master bedroom, they have plenty of the space which see through, that you can access from the door to the terrace and the swimming pool. And here the space is plenty. As well, in the master bedroom, there is a part where they're showing with the sofa on opposite of the bed. So mean this room have very good size of the space inside, and you can even imagine yourself living here. On this side is the bathroom inside master bedroom. In the master bathroom, they have double sink for his and her, and as well the shower and the bathtub is separate from each other. So this you have quite good space inside. And they have the windows to get the air ventilation from outside too. What do you think, since we have seen outside and inside of the house, and this villa is resale to the people who are looking for renovation as their favorite style, because the house is coming with very huge land plot of 870 square meters and close to the city center. Just drive through from the center straight and arriving. And this villa is coming with the 4 bedroom and 3 bathroom, which is very nice for the location, and also have the good size of swimming pool. The villa is already 11 years old, which means it's good for people who have an idea of renovating the villas to be nice, and it's come with the huge size of plots. This villa is offered with the price of 6.9 million baht for the purchasing, and as well they have the common area where you have security guard that will come to take care of the entire projects. And most of the house here, they are expats who live half in Thailand and half in their countries. So it's very peaceful in the projects or environment around. If you interest more information of this villa, just call me 086-424-5951 or send me message by WhatsApp and email at info@belleasset.com. Let's see you in another video. Bye bye.